What is up, guys? Houston Bass Fishing. This is first cast.
Dude, I need pliers, dude.
And Gage,
my pliers out of my bag.
And Gage gets like a huge fish. Huge fish.
Oh my dude, he's heavy.
Hey, go call your brother. Tell him to come back if he wants to see it. Yeah, tell him. Call him. Hurry up.
I'm calling him. Oh my god, dude.
This fish is huge, guys. Let me get my scale.
I don't want to kill him, dude. He's thirsty. Oh my god, he's freaking heavy.
She's pregnant too.
Oh.
Ey, ¿te quieres regresar a ver el pescadote? Yeah, it's like freaking 6 pounds. Alright, ahorita te la mando.
Pre-spawn bass fishing.
My gosh, guys,
Oh my God.
this is ridiculous. This has to be like a good 6-7 pounds.
Holy crap. That's not even.
Yeah, your scale's wrong, bud. 2.7?
You think? I don't think that's right. Like I don't think you hooked him right. Where's your scale?
In my bag.
Here, hold this. Hold the camera. Yeah, I think it's because of the rain yesterday.
Pull it out. You almost had it.
There we go. Alright.
See if there's scale.
This is such a huge fish, guys. Video's 2 minutes. Go.
Dude, first 5.9, almost 6. 5.99, guys.
So about a 6-pound bass. Personal best for Gage. And now we're gonna get the release.
Are they coming back?
Are they coming back?
No, I'll send them a picture.
Alright,
Where's my pliers?
we'll get back to you a little bit, see what happens. Okay, alright guys, now we're gonna get the release on them.
Hopefully she's still alive.
No, she's alive still. There it goes.
Bye-bye.
The monster fish. How was that feeling, Gage?
Oh my god, I don't even know.
Alright guys, well, biggest fish so far of this year for both of us. And hopefully we can catch some more for you. We'll be back. Gage with the fish, the second of the day. About 10 minutes after the other one. Still have no luck, but I don't think we need to weigh him. He's about a pound or less. Oh, look at the stripe. Stripe is weird, huh?
Dark fish.
There we go. Alright, get you back with some more.
What is up, guys? Houston Bass Fishing, and Diego just caught his first fish of the day. Freaking pretty one.
I'm always having trouble with this.
We've been here for about 20 minutes. Not even.
Yeah, not even, about 15 maybe?
3 fish already.
15, 20?
Personal best today.
Pound and a half maybe? Pound.
Look at that.
About a
Look at his
pound.
color.
Nice fish. Alright, gonna get the release on him now. There he goes. Get you back some more. Alright, Gage has got his third of the day. Well, he needs to land him first, but pretty sure it's gonna be his third of the day. There he goes. We're not gonna weigh him. He's not that big.
It's decent size. That's like the normal size for this pond.
Yeah.
Barely no.
There, yeah. And there's a fish now trying to get the release. Alright, get you back some more. Hopefully Carlos can catch some. Alright. This Gage has got a fish right here.
I want spinner bait.
And get the release.
Little guy, get the release.
Alright, get back with you some more. What is up, guys? Seven's bass fishing. Ow! What is up, guys? Houston bass fishing here. Got my cousin recording me for me right now. David's over there. Switching up lures. And his hook will come out for some reason.
You almost took them by the eye.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you were close.
Just gotta push down now. Here, pause that video. Pause it. You see the pause button?
It's rolling.
Alright, guys, about 5 hours later, finally got him out. Actually, Gage got him. But you don't have to hear about that. Gonna get the release on him now, second of the day. Okay, just we pet him a little bit. There's a little blood on him, but that's fine.
You don't think he's dead?
Alright, go. There he goes.
There it goes.
Alright, guys, get you on the next one.